The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO makes clamping your workpieces simple. All you have to do is put your piece in the jig and squeeze the VersaGrip handle to hold the piece in place. And that works whether it's a 1/2 inch thick, you're working with something that's 1.5 inches, or the thickness is somewhere in between. And while squeezing the handle is easy, the 520PRO has one more feature that makes clamping even easier. Instead of having to squeeze the clamp multiple times, you can use the quick reset feature. Just clamp a piece of the thickness you'll be using, then turn the knob toward the lock sign and tighten it. Now, when you squeeze the drill guide release, the guide won't open all the way. It'll open just far enough to let you remove the workpiece. Then you can clamp it again, or any piece of that thickness, with just a squeeze or two of the handle. When you want to work with a different thickness, loosen the quick reset knob, squeeze the clamp release, and the drill guide will open. Clamping is also made easier by Kreg's Grip Max material that covers the surface of the drill guide block. Grip Max grabs onto your workpiece to hold it securely in place in the jig without requiring a lot of clamping pressure. Plus, it means it won't mar your workpiece, so you'll never have to worry about dents or marks.